This is Dawn Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and today we're going to be making chicken breast in a crock pot. This recipe is so easy to make and so delicious. We're going to need 1.5 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken breasts, a half a cup of chicken broth, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of thyme. So let's get started. I'm going to use a gallon baggie to mix my spices, but you can use a bowl. We're going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to put it directly into the bag. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Oh, I'm sorry, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. A teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Half a teaspoon of thyme. And a half teaspoon of onion powder. Let's shake this up a little bit in the bag and add our chicken. Zip it up and massage the spices onto my chicken. I'm going to let this marinate in the refrigerator for an hour. Our chicken has been marinating for an hour, so now we're going to take our 1/4 cup of chicken broth and pour it on the bottom of our crock pot. We're going to add our 2 pieces of chicken. Actually, mine's 2 pieces of chicken. Yours could be more. Just laying those right on top of the chicken broth. We're going to cover this and we're going to cook it for 3 to 4 hours on high or 4 to 6 hours on low. We're actually going to cook ours 4 to 6 hours on low. And look at this, 5.5 hours later. Smells delicious in here. Our chicken looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.